Hello guys, welcome back. Now I want to introduce you the new R line of Midland, BTR1 Advanced and R1 Mesh. The BTR1 Advanced model has two phone connections to pair your phone, a Bluetooth dashboard or a GPS for rider. It can pair 4 intercom of every brand for one-to-one communication, and you can make a conference among 6 BTR1 Advanced. It has a built-in FM radio. It has an application where you can also join the web radio, 23 hours talking time battery, advanced DSP noise cancelling, 1.5 kilometers range, music share, parallel audio streaming, advanced DSP noise cancelling, and RCF professional HD sound. The R1 Mesh, Bluetooth and Mesh technology integrated in one device. With R1 Mesh, you can connect 2 phones or dashboard or GPS for riders. You can make a dynamic mesh conference among 49 people, when 6 will be the commanders and 43 the listeners. You have 2 special intercom connections for your private communication, for example with your passenger or your favorite friend, 23-hour talking time battery in Bluetooth, 15-hour in Mesh, DSP advanced noise cancelling control, RCF professional sound speaker, and AGC system automatic gain control. Guys, this is Midland R series. Unboxing R1 series. Both devices look like the same, but the features are different. Watch the full video to know more. Let's keep the video simple. This is the R1 Mesh. Make a click on one of these 3 buttons, you will send command to the phone. I give you an example. One click on this button will play the music. Another click on this button will pause the music. One click on this button will send the voice dial command, Google Assistant or Siri, to the main phone paired. One click on this button will send the voice dial to the second phone connected. If you want to talk with the other device, double click on this button, you will activate the mesh to talk with other Midland Mesh. With double click on this button or on this button, you will open the communication to other Bluetooth device. How to reset the pairing? It's easy. With the unit on, blue light flashing, press the 3 buttons simultaneously up to get red steady light. Then press volume plus and volume minus together. You will see the blue light flashing. It's that simple. How to pair the phone to your R1 Mesh is a simple operation. Let's switch on R1 Mesh by pressing these 2 buttons. Blue light will flashing, and now keep pressed volume up button. You will see the light flashing blue and red. Go to the Bluetooth setting of your phone and check R1 Mesh. Click on it, accept, and the pairing is successful. Now you can also connect our Midland Connect application that you can download as from Play Store as from Apple Store. Go in device list, choose R1 Mesh. The application is loading, and thanks to the application you can set all the features of your intercom, volume, phone, music. You can use the remote control. You can enter in the pairing session to pair other device. You can listen the digital radios, and you can also set your favorite name for your unit. As I said before, with one click on this multifunctional button, you can send command to the phone. For example, play the music, forward song, backward song, pause the music. When the music is paused, by click here, you activate voice dial command, Google Assistant, because I have connected an Android. When you have an active audio, you can click volume plus or volume minus to adjust the volume, and remember that you have also the IGC gate control that will increase or decrease your volume according to the external noise. So, how to talk in Mesh? With these two units on, just double click on this button. You will hear Mesh on. If you can talk, the units are already set up. If you cannot talk, it's because the two units have the same identification number. You have to choose a different number. Just set a different ID number. You can do that by the buttons as by the application. When the two ID numbers are different, make a double click on the control button. You will both hear Mesh on in the two units, and in a couple of seconds you will start talking. To set the ID number from the app, you have to click on this symbol, enter in the Mesh part, and choose from 1 to 6 the talkers and the guest for the listeners. Once you set Mesh on, it's good to go. If you want to have a private communication, or if you want to talk with another brand, you can do that by Bluetooth intercom. So, with R1 Mesh on, just hold one of these two buttons and you will enter in intercom pairing. You will see red and blue light flashing. From the other unit, if it is a Sina, a Cardo or a Midland, you have to enter as well in intercom pairing. The two units will pair. When the process is done, to open and close the intercom from the R1 Mesh, just double-click this button. To open and close the intercom for the other brand unit, just use the command to open and close the intercom communication. Easy, no? Now let's talk about BTR1 Advanced. This BTR1 Advanced has 3 modes: phone mode, intercom mode, FM radio mode. By holding this button, you will hear the voice announcement of the 3 modes. And when you hear the modes that you are interested on, just release the button, and one click on these 3 buttons will make commands related to these modes. For example, in phone mode, play music, voice dial second phone, forward song, backward song. In intercom mode, you can, with one click, you can open and close the intercom with other 3 devices. In FM radio mode, you can play and pause FM radio, search one frequency upwards, search another frequency downwards, or choose among your 6 favorite frequencies. How to reset the pairing with the BTR1 Advanced is simple. BTR1 Advanced off, no blue light flashing. Hold control button up to get red steady light. When you get this light, just press simultaneously volume up and volume down to get a blue flashing light. The pairing are present. How to pair the phone with your BTR1 Advanced? It's very easy. BTR1 Advanced is off. Hold control button up to get red steady light. When you enter in this mode that is called setting mode, when you can do all the pairing, just hold the volume plus button. Volume plus button means your main phone pairing. Then goes to the Bluetooth setting of your phone, click on BTR1 Advanced and accept the pairing connection. After pair the audio, you can go as well as our application Midland Connect. And through the app, you can completely adjust the feature of your BTR1 Advanced, enter in the remote control session, in the pairing session, in the digital radio, or just set your favorite name of your device. Now let's pair 2 BTR1 Advanced in Bluetooth intercom. With the 2 devices off, hold the control button up to reach the setup mode, red steady light. Now just press one of these 3 buttons. I will choose the control button. Hold this button up to get red and blue light flashing. Wait a couple of seconds to establish the pairing among the two units. Okay? Exit from the setup mode, and now by click one button you will open the intercom pairing. The purple light means that the connection is open. One click on the same button, the connection is closed. Now let's talk how to pair to make a conference Bluetooth communication. With the maximum 6 devices of BTR1 Advanced, just enter in the setup mode. So from off, hold the control button up to get the red steady light. It will be better start from a clean situation, so I will hold volume plus and volume minus together to reset the pairing on both units. And now we have to pair just the two closest buttons of the unit. Volume down button with volume up button. So hold the volume down button to start the pairing in the first unit, and hold the volume up button to start the pairing in the second unit. Wait a couple of seconds and the two units will be paired. Now we can go on pairing the down button of the second unit with the up button of the third unit. And let's go on like this up to the 6th unit maximum. When you have finished to pair down and up all the unit, you exit from the setup mode, and with all the unit you will enter in conference mode. To enter in conference mode, hold the control button and up button 3 seconds, and you will hear the voice conference. When all the unit will be in conference, it will be enough that one of the 6 units will make one click on this button to open the communication among all the BTR1 Advanced. That's it, guys. So don't forget to upgrade the firmware of your device. Go to Midland Europe website, download our software, and connect with the charging cable your device to the computer to get the last firmware update. Don't forget also to download the last quick guide available on the website. I hope that this video have been informative for you, and let's see to the next video. Ciao!